Ever wondered why two identical Pokemon might perform differently? The secret often lies in their nature. Today, we're exploring Pokemon natures, a core mechanic profoundly impacting your team's performance. Mastering them is essential for any aspiring trainer. What is a nature? Every Pokemon has one, determined at encounter or hatching, with 25 possibilities. Each boosts one stat by 10% while decreasing another by 10%, influencing growth. For instance, a lonely nature increases attack but lowers defense. Choosing the right nature is paramount. A physical powerhouse like Machamp thrives with Adamant. Conversely, a fast special attacker like Jolteon benefits from Timid, optimizing its primary strengths. Acquiring the perfect nature once meant tedious breeding with an Everstone. Thankfully, modern games introduced mints. These items effectively change a Pokemon's stat-altering nature, streamlining competitive team building. In summary, natures are a critical system for optimizing your Pokemon, amplifying their strengths to create formidable teams. If this guide illuminated Pokemon natures, please like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more strategic insights.